Welcome to Blue Lagoon. We're still here. Beautiful evening. A pot of gold somewhere out there, and Kevin is aboard already too, enjoying the time. Hello, you guys. Guess what I'll be doing? Cooking and doing laundry at the same time. Watch me. Going down. Look at this. Now, there is the cooking going. Oh, I'm barefoot. I got, barefoot. Here is supper going. Guys, just throw in whatever you want. Dishes. Look at that. Look at my clutter on the table. I'm in the kitchen. Barefoot. No, I'm not going there. But too late for that. Sorry. You lost out. But yes. So it's kind of called a clutter. Look at this. This is kind of living on board. I'll show you. Here you do laundry. Hi y'all. I'm just showing you. It's not all so pretty, but it's so worth it. So you kind of do laundry in the sink. Sit it there. You know what? The fun part is, who cares if water goes out here? Because that's my shower too. Right here. Here's the next laundry lady. Just saying, it's a different kind of life. My laundry will sit there for a bit. My bed is made. Sunshine's waiting. Food is almost ready. Boy, look what we picked up today. Fresh pineapple. So, do you know how to pick a pineapple? Do you know how it's ripe? Watch this. They told me if you can pull this out like this, that's when you can eat it. If it doesn't pull out, it's not ripe yet. Look at these flowers. I have flowers. They throw these out and they're so beautiful. Anyways, I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now. Going to have supper now.